Hi, 你好, welcome to 奇美 Mandarin. A few weeks ago, I recorded one video called What Else Can You Learn from 你好. In that video, I was talking about how we build Chinese characters by building those simple elements together. And also there are some stories behind these characters. Today, I would like to share one very interesting Chinese character with you and tell you what story behind it. Now let's look at it. So, is anybody know this word, this character? So its main, we say it's 国. Okay, so let's separate those elements and then let's talk about the story behind it. The first element, look at. So is this one? Do you think this frame, this look like a frame, like a maybe like a wall, protect your home, protect a border, protect your country, and a frame. This look like a wall, right? And look at the inside. Inside, first one, let's look at this one. This one we say is Wang. So Wang literally means king. But it's also, Wang is also a very popular Chinese family name. Okay, so if we add one dot here, if we add one dot here, and then this character become Yu. So Yu literally means jade. So jade can be implied to wealthy. So we put the king, we put wealthy into this wall and protect it, to close it and protect it. So this word means country. Right? So this is the interesting story behind the Chinese characters. But how we say China? So China, as I think most people knows how to say it. So we say 中. So 中 mean 中, you can see here has a square and have a stroke in the middle. So this character means central, middle. So central country means China. And how to say American? So American we say 美. So 美 literally means beautiful. So beautiful country means America. So this the story behind this word and how we built other phrase based on those characters. So hope you have learned something with me today. And in the future, I'm going to record a new type of videos to teach you the basic Chinese elements and how we build them to new phrase, and then which can help easily to learn Chinese characters and to increase your vocabularies. So see you next Tuesday. 再见. Okay, if you are interested to learn more Chinese with me, please email me at qimeimandarin@gmail.com or follow me and subscribe to me to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. They're all on the 奇美 Mandarin. Okay, see you next Tuesday. 再见.